good afternoon, good evening, any part of anywhere you're watching me from. I welcome you to my channel in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Today I'll be talking about road opener, automatic road opener. You know, this video might favor everybody, might not favor everybody equally, but I have to say it. I have to say it. That's what led by the Spirit. That I have to say it. Some people, you know, if you want to open automatic open door in your business, in your marriage, in your life, in your private life, whatever you might call it, open up. Ankan shower. Number one. Therefore, your parents, you have to get respect. You have to get the blessings of your parents. Number two, you need to do your sacrifice. Yes, give what belongs to God and what belongs to Caesar. Sacrifice to your element. It depends on what element you fall into. Number three, you need to pay your tithe. If you're a tither, if you're a Christian, pay your tithe every month. Every month you have to pay your tithe every month. Number four, you have to always give alms to the beggar. Always give alms to the beggar. Not when you see beggar on the road, you say, this is smelling. And even when they come to your front, they say, please give me money. You say you are stingy. Don't ever be stingy. Don't be stingy. Give what you have. If it is 15 naira, if it is 5 naira, anything you have, except you don't have it. If you have water that you know you don't have money, but you have water or you have food that you can give them, you give them. You understand? Your door will open, automatic open door. This are not there for go for. This is the fourth one, and that's the only fourth to open your door. Finish. Start from your parents. Start. Make sure no get sister. When you see a beggar, you know wear your pants. This girl no wear you this pants. You carry your body come like this. Anyway, make I do this video sharp. When you see a beggar, you give him. Your door will open. You get it. As in, when you give them money, always give them money. If you don't give them money, start now to give them money with your free heart. They know it's that to me. Hatred they come off your body. If you the kind of person they get hatred, failure, they always fight some kind of fight where you don't even know. They fight that fight for each other. That madness made for their body. The God will use the spirit of a madman to fight your fight for you. Never be stingy. A mad person, a beggar, you give them. Even a blind man, give him. A blind woman, give them. When you come across them, always give them. Always pay attention to them to give them. It opens door for you. I swear. The other one I say pay your tithe. Christian, if you're a Christian, always pay your tithe. If you're not a Christian, I don't know about that, but if you're a Christian, you always pay your tithe. Don't rob God. God will never rob your blessing. God will never close his eye, close his ear for where you know, when you know that you're in trouble, you're in pain, you're in agony. When you always give your tithe, you open doors for you. You remember you when you're in trouble. Don't say that it's because of pastor is chopping it. Yes, they don't chop it, but it's spiritually God is saying, is giving you a spiritual good that yes, you are paying your tithes. And forget that maybe they're using it to buy food and eat. It's not of your business. You pay your tithe, and forget about it again in the following month, because you have to pay your tithe every month. Number three, your elements. When you're a water element, your fire element, you pay your tithes. You pay your spiritual tithe, sang as another spiritual tithe in a traditional way. You always pay your tithe. India get me proposal. Oh ha. They go open door for you. Acknowledge them and they will acknowledge your matter for you. They will always acknowledge your matter for you. If you not acknowledge them, you're wasting your time. This is the 4. You must do the 4. You cannot do one and leave one. The last one, your parents. People, not too much. Some people, they will be in township. They will forget their mother in the village. They will forget their mother in so place. Or even when their mother is even living with themselves, or in the same compound, or in the same street, or living them straight with them, they will never remember their father. They will never remember their mother. They will always want to. They will always want to be. I don't know what they will call it, stingy and wickedness. They cannot forgive even their mother offend them, even their father offend them, even maybe their uncle, their auntie that is nice to them, that brought them up. Maybe their parents are late. They will forget them. Even when they offend you, you have to forgive them. If they do not ask for your forgiveness, go to them and ask them for forgiveness. Call them on phone. You know, when they are sick, you have transport or you have card on them to call them and say, "Hi is mama, hi is daddy, hi is uncle, hi is our grandma." They will not remember them. It's when they are sick you remember them. Come and go fire that person. Yes, I will say it because it's so annoying. If you are like that, if you are like that, you're in trouble. You're in big soup, big hot soup. You better reconcile with your parents. You better know how they are doing. You better send money for them. If you can afford 5,000 every month to do it. If you can, anyone you can afford. If you cannot afford money part, you can use your handwork or your good mouth, your good tongue, your good energy and discuss with them, because God knows that you don't have. It's not when you have, you say, okay, let me help them to wash plates, and meanwhile you have other one. They will use money to pay the debt, to pay akawo, to pay contribution in the church or in the meeting. Help them, or even their medicine to drink, good clothes. If they offended you, say sorry. You know, because they are telling you that please go to school or please buy land before you get married. You say they hate you. Go and learn work. You say they hate you. Which I want to do, they no one. You and they hate you. They are talking, they are saying it for the betterment of all of una, of tomorrow future. You say no. Or they say if you do not do this, you will not sleep in this house. I am out from you. They are doing it for you to be brave and for you to take the advice, because inside your heart you know that what they are telling you is a nice thing, is something that is good, that will benefit. But due to your unkwobi, due to your evil heart, due to your bad mind, you say no. I will never forgive this woman. This woman, I will not. If your mother come to you, even when you're seeing her passing on the road, you use your motor and pour out water. The one that is on the floor, you use your tire motor and sprinkle water on her or on your father. Is it a good idea? God will never forgive you. Any spiritual work where you do, you no go walk. You no go walk. You go even turn upside down. You go even give you more pains. You go even make everything go worse for you. You must get the heart of forgiveness. If you no get them, you are your thorough. And you must get that. You no get choice to get that. You continue. You use as if you like do cleansing work. If you like do rain bath, short bath, sand bath, everything bath, bad bath. If you like do air cleansing, anyone you do, my dear. But when you do all these things, my sister, my brother, any spiritual work you do, okay, make people use sharp. Okay, make people use as if as if they for everything they call them. So these 4 things go make you to automatic open door. This I no need to go buy them for herbal shop. And with your heart, with your mind, with obedience, because God have said it. And even before God and man, it's good. It's not something that is wrong before God or is wrong before man. Never. Is your mindset, and you have to make your mindset to be right in the opposite side, in the right side. your parents, your elders, when you even not your parents, even when you're walking on the road, greet itself, they even open door for you. Mama, how you dey? Mama, how I help you carry this water? Papa, how you dey now? And your children no dey, make I help you. Do the one you must see. You not cause the woman, cause her children, saying her because of this. Because of what? Are you a god? Are you a ghost? You're seeing and you're not seeing. Yeah. Please, if you do all this to my brothers, my sister, my uncle, my mommy, forgive them. Even though you have grown old, you as in you're old, and you know your parents are dead. Go to the grave and ask them for forgiveness. Give them water, let them drink. Give them food, let them eat. Always remember them. Always ask for forgiveness, and they will definitely forgive you by the special grace of God. But if they're dead, it's not easy. It's not easy. But now they are alive, you know they are alive. Always appreciate them, because I know there are good uncles there. If your parents did not bring you up, they are not there to bring you up. It's your uncle. There are some uncles that are nice. They are even nicer than your father and your mother. Yes, you have to appreciate them. But if you know that your parents are alive, instead of you take your parents as your parents, you are taking your uncle as your parents. There are some family like that. Why? Because of the mindset. You have to take everybody along. You don't have to keep your parents behind and carry your uncle as if he's your father. Never. If they say do like this, you do like this for your benefit. If they say you go buy land before you marry, it's good. You buy land before you marry, build your house before you marry, so everything will be easy. Because they're telling you like that because you have the money, you're capable of that. At least you can struggle to get it. And when you struggle to get it, you will get it. With their blessing, they will bless you. Not to be behind them. Please, if you find this video interesting, thank you very much. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Remain blessed. See my next video. Automatic open door. This one no get for Jara. This one no get addition. This one na so him be. Whether you like them, whether you no like them, my people, you need to like them. Open your door. Let everything go well for all of us. If it go well for you, it's my happiness. Like and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you don't like this video, please put it on the comment section there. I'll see it. Everybody is not perfect, but this is what is perfect for us. At least I know this is very perfect for us. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Remain blessed.